बस नंबर 24 हम लोग को पकड़नी है, अभी यहाँ दौड़ते हुए जा रही है। We went to the UK for 2 weeks and here is a summary of the entire trip.
Please do not walk up to the gates.
Before traveling, we didn't do any COVID test as UK didn't require that. However, we did have to take the rapid PCR test on the second day of our arrival. We took the test ourselves and both of us got a negative result. If you are traveling now, then you don't need to take any COVID test and you don't have to quarantine yourself either. So after landing in the UK, we went to my sister's house and when our COVID results came back negative, we started to meet our family and friends one by one.
बस यहाँ से नीचे उतर के ब्राइटन बीच है, चलें?
नहीं। Traveling in the UK can be a little challenging for someone who is not used to the train system. If you are coming to the UK, I will strongly advise to watch a few videos about train system. It will give you an idea and will make you mentally prepared about what to expect. We faced some challenges during our commute, so we decided to explore London and the nearby areas using the train. We managed to see a number of sites while we explored the city, and here are the 5 most memorable ones that we saw. Number 1, the Buckingham Palace. We reached the palace to see the changing of guard ceremony. There were way too many people trying to get a glimpse of the ceremony, and so there wasn't enough space for people to take out the camera and take a good picture. It was a cameraman's nightmare. Number 2, the legendary London double-decker bus. Traffic in London Central is again a nightmare. Walking would help you reach your destination faster. We still took the bus to experience how it feels sitting on the top floor of a moving vehicle. In all honesty, it was a little scary seeing the driver make tight turns on the narrow streets of London. Number 3, Souvenir Shops. Right next to the palace, there is the Queen's Gallery, which has the palace items displayed for people to take a look at. And there is also a gift shop where you can find extremely expensive but beautiful souvenirs. If you want a little less expensive stuff, then there are a few shops down the street from the palace that have similar souvenirs at an affordable rate. Number 4, the London skyline. We saw the skyline from the moving train and couldn't pause to admire the beauty, but whatever little we saw was amazing. And number 5, lot of Harry Potter stuff. Everywhere we went, we saw something or the other related to Harry Potter. The city seems to be obsessed with the fictional character, and if you are a Harry Potter fan, then you are going to love it. Luckily, our anniversary coincided with our travels, and even though it wasn't planned, we had a small family get-together, which was one of the best parts of this trip.
Ashar, you have to read it.
Oh, happy anniversary, dearest Abiha and Ashar. शादी की पहली सालगिरह बहुत बहुत मुबारक. अल्लाह तुम दोनों को हमेशा खुश रखे और हर एनिवर्सरी पे हम लोग तुम लोगों के साथ सेलिब्रेट करने का मौका दें. अल्लाह हमेशा तुम दोनों को ऐसे ही सेहत के साथ मुस्कुराता रखे. आमीन. बाजी अब्बास, अम्मार and Zehra. And a heart symbol. 12th February 2020. हैंडराइटिंग पढ़ने में जरा सा भी दिक्कत नहीं हुई क्योंकि बाजी बचपन में मेरा नोट्स लिखती तो पढ़ने की आदत है.
बोले थे ना हम तो क्या उठा के ला सकते हैं. कल क्या पहने
मिल गया भाई.
It's very good.
Oh my God, इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. नहीं, बहुत सारी चीज नहीं है.
So many things. अच्छा फिर से शादी कर ले.
ये थोड़ा ज्यादा सफेद हो गया. मेरी अम्मी देखेंगी तो कत्ल ही कर देंगी कि दुल्हन को सफेद दे रही हो.
It's perfect. I love it.
Oh my God,
इतना बड़ा बैग. काम के लिए ही perfect है.
I think हम लैपटॉप सोच के ही सोच रहे थे कि लैपटॉप एंड बॉटल.
Actually, it's perfect.
So that's pretty much everything we did on the trip. A huge shout out to Amar for helping me with this video and designing this awesome thumbnail. Thank you so much, Amar.
अम्मी और पापा की तरफ से।
अम्मी पापा दादी।
नीचे अदाब साथ में पकड़ना।
अब उसको खोल करके उसके अंदर जो लिखा है उसको पढ़ना भी है।
उर्दू में a gift for you।
अरे ये तो पक्का पापा ने बोला होगा। अच्छा आप पढ़िए This is the real test।
नेक
नेक हाँ
सारी नेक
नेक ख्वाहिशात और तमाम
ते मीम नून वाव तमाना
तमन्नाओं के साथ शादी की
सालगिरह
लिखा है।
शादी की
पहली
शादी की
सालगिरह
खूब मुबारक हो अम्मी पापा।
वेल डन।
हो गया।